Ooh. You got your duck. You got your toys. You can chill now. You good, homie. All right. Regal. All right. Let's go to the YouTube. 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 We going to the YouTube, tube. We going to the YouTube, tube. Why this light don't feel? It feels bright, but not bright. This is a weird light. Should it be above? Ooh, that looks weird. Oh, that's why. I look slightly washed out. I need it about right there. Yeah. How will I know? 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 What's up, Hassan? Hassan? I can feel it in my heart. I can feel it in my chest. We about to code today. We about to code today. We. Is this a real person? I can't tell who's real. I can't tell who's real or fake on the internet anymore. I've given up. I've given up. I've given up. I've given up. I can't tell who's real or fake on the internet anymore. What's going on? What's happening on the internet? The internet. The internet. The internet. The people who are early get to see this unhinged version of myself before I actually start. Ah, crap. This is the wrong title. On the internet. 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 I've been waiting for you, Sensei. Konnichiwa. Do 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 do. I have good news. I have good news. Kind of good news, not bad good news. State stability type shit. Okay. So let me. Oh, it's not what you think. It's not about a tech job. Okay, just gonna. My bad. I need to be careful with what I say because I know a lot of people are rooting for me to get to tech position. The good news is that I got a call back from a job. It's an HR position at my hometown, but at least I will have some employment if I get this job. So that is a good thing. The stream will not change if I get this job, but it'll give me some. It'll help me stress a lot less, you know, because your boy be stressing. So just want to let y'all know that. Hopefully I get the job. Hopefully I get the job. So we can get the mangyon. The mangyon. Oh, 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 oh. The mangyon. The mangyon. Oh, 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 oh. I need that mangyon, bitch, so I can buy some shit. I need that mangyon, bitch, so I can buy some shit. The mangyon. No. Well, no, actually no. The mignon, the mignon. Oh, 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 oh. I don't usually sound happy. Oh. Oh, 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 oh. I got the mignon. The mignon. The mignon. Hold on. Oh, 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 oh. I gotta share this on this app. The mignon. The mignon. Oh, 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 oh. All right, so now we can start. Can y'all hear? All right, turning this on. I made some stripper money. What's a skid? I made some stripper money. I should not do that because they already proved that most money has like feces on it, so that was a shitty slap. Queffable. What is you're a skid? What is a skid? What is a someone called me a skid? It is short for script kiddie, implying someone who uses existing amateur hacking tools without understanding them. Thank you, Gregorio. Did you just call me a skid? You call me a script kiddie, and now you asking me what I'm coding. I will slap you through the interwebs. I will slap you through the interwebs, my good friend. You're just here to have a laugh, and I'm here to ban your dumb ass. Get gone, get out of here. Get out of here, don't come back. You're not welcome here. Go get a laugh somewhere else. We do real shit here, brother. The bang yang, the bang yang. Oh oh, the bang yang, the bang yang. Oh oh. I need to look that up again. I forgot what that means. Oh, get that ass banned. There we go. Get that ass banned. I'm learning. I'm learning my internet slang. Slang-a-langs. All right. So today on Amazing World that we live in, we will be continuing our journey into doing our application. The bang, the bang. Oh, 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 oh. It was from this popular streamer who played fighting games and got salty every time someone in the chat would talk mess about him. He would say, "Get that ass, man." Oh, you know what? I actually watch Low Tier. The thing is, I don't watch him enough. I'm not that much into internet culture to where I hate him. But I do know that he is hated. But I know recently he accidentally did something. He exposed something on stream. My man. Well, he's not my man, but all you gotta do is be right. All you gotta do is be right. I wish I could play this music on the internet. I wish I could play this music without getting banned. I just had the best idea. What if you could stream on a platform like SoundCloud, and because SoundCloud already has this huge music library, it'll say like, okay, we will in some way, some type of profit sharing by allowing certain music from SoundCloud to be played during the streaming on SoundCloud. I don't know. Something. Let me not say this too loud. Somebody gonna vibe code the hell out of this. Hold on. Okay. Something can be. It's a thought, man. If you could bring the views, I'm sure they'd be happy to make some kind of deal. All right. So what we got to do? Where were we? Listen, if I took an Adderall, because I used to take Vyvanse. Signal? What? You're on Adderall? I got coffee right here. But no, Vyvanse. How dare you? Vyvanse is the Cadillac. Vyvanse is. I had XR, extended release. So that shit was a steady stream of. I don't know. It worked for me. I'm very sensitive to any type of prescription. Withdrawals were so bad going in and out of them. Oh, I got so much shit done. Hold on, y'all can hear music? I'm gonna get flagged. I'm gonna get flagged. I'm gonna get flagged. I didn't know that's what y'all was listening to. I didn't know y'all could hear what I was listening to. It's over. Demonetize. This stream is going. I didn't know that. So no, y'all. All y'all. Do I know a guy named Devin Crockett? It's looking awfully. It's oh yeah, you're right. What's Devin Crawford? I look like this dude. Oh yeah, I see it. It's the resemblance. I even got the mole. Spitting image. What's up, Teo? I look a little younger. Guacamole. Man, I did not know y'all were listening to it. Maybe we should just finish listening to the whole song. I wish y'all would have told me something. I didn't know that's what was going on. I wonder if I'll get copyrighted. Maybe YouTube doesn't. I don't think he even has this song on here. What's up, Alley Codes? No, I did not know. I'm glad y'all said it. Cause it's going. We still working on it. If y'all didn't say something, we would have been. Y'all would have been hearing my whole sound like. That's what I listen to while I'm coding. Oh, I post all the songs in the chat. Like as I code, I don't know if y'all noticed that, but I post all the songs in the chat as I code. You can never what, Signal? We alright, lost ads might as well. That music would get me too hype. Okay, Signal, where do I know you from? You said I know you from a server. What server do I know you from? You said, hold on. It's looking definitely better than the web. Oh, can I code without music? Yeah, I do it all the time. Sometimes you don't. Sometimes, most of the time, I had these headphones off. Like if I'm having a good day, I'm a code and listen to music. Okay, so I have you added. Oh, okay. Message me on Discord so I can remember who you are. Oh, I see you. Yeah, so this is UK Garage. It's like Future Garage. And so Hidden Jaim, and then there's a guy named Bucky. And it all got started because I started listening to this guy named Burial. Can you answer, please? What's the... Oh yeah, I listen to Jungle too. Creatify. I could never code to that. Yeah, you can. Okay, so what we need to do right quick is catch our bearings from yesterday. So I think yesterday I was working on this. Yesterday I was working on this. I was getting this data together. Okay, so it's all right here. Okay, yeah, that's a problem. I'm gonna just start the clock. How much time I need to learn Merge Stack, and is it worth time? You use the N word up in here. You're the first person I've seen do that. And so you must be sent to the shadow room. Open Medio. All right. So we're using Open Medio. I think that's what it's called. The goal right now is to. Okay, so the goal right now. So we got this drop down, right? And when we pick this drop down, based on the location, we're gonna get hourly weather data. So really, that's gonna be from 3 p.m. to 10 p.m. Okay, and so right now, I got the array of temperatures down here, right? So here's the temperatures starting from the first day in the daily forecast. I just need to make sure that it matches. So if this is 83.1, then when we go into the list, we should see 83.1. And the list should start at index 15. But then, hold on. That's what I realized. So yesterday, I realized. Oh, what I realized is that this, when it returns weather data, right? It'll give an hourly object. And in that hourly object, it'll give you 168 temperatures. Each temperature is for every hour in a 7-day period, in a week period. 24 times 7 is 168. So I realized that um 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna have to divide these up. Yeah. But no, I put the hourly data right here, so it should be okay. Uh so if it's 15. Okay, so it's right. 15 is 83.1. See the first day? Hold on, that's wrong. Hold on, it's getting the temperature. Hold on, what? It's a daily forecast, and the daily forecast and the hourly is probably different. Let me stop, because this is the high and the low of the day. Let me fix that in the container right quick, because this shouldn't be that close together. See, can I do? All right. So we got a high and a low. A high and a low. Okay, that's better. Okay, let's look at this again. So you said I messed up. Why is it rounding that array, but not the data the weather API is returning? Are you just printing full returns? Most likely it's an absolute average. Your theme is fire, by the way. Are you weathering tonight? Degree symbol? Yeah, I haven't put the degree symbol yet. That's one of the last things I'm gonna do. It's on the list. Because we gotta go from metric to imperial. Okay, and then, but hold on. Why is it rounding that array? What do you mean it's rounding the array? What you mean by that? It's rounding what array? It's 82.1 for your daily? Oh, you mean up here? All right, see you later, kangaroo. What, this right here? No. No. You know how no, it's just the temperature that they give for that day. It's just the whatever, I guess the average temp they give for that day. Yeah, probably. Or the average of all the temperatures throughout the hours that day. I don't know. But there's a main temperature that you get. And it's here. Where is it? No. It should be... It should just be temperature. Current. Temperature, yeah. It gives the current temperature. This is the current temperature. Let me write that down. Yeah, it's not an average. It's just the current temperature when somebody... Because when somebody searches, usually they want the current temperature, right? They want the current temperature of where they're searching. Okay, so 72.9. Hold on, I just realized something. Where am I pulling this from? Here. And it should start... Yeah, 72.9 to 62.1. So 15, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Zero, 0, 1, 2, yeah, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is a challenge from Frontend Mentor. So the challenge already has the things that we need. See? The challenge already has the things that we need. It tells us what's going on. No, it's not a framework. This is just a Figma file. So this is what it's supposed to look like. So they give you the design, and then you have to literally code it yourself. Yeah. So that's the first. So that's the first thing we did. Was we made it responsive. Yeah, so the first thing we did was made it responsive. So it's good until it gets to a certain point. $375 is supposed to be the lowest breakpoint. So there's still some things that need to be fixed, but for the most part. the API returns a weather code for each day of the week. So we have 1, 353, 33333. So then I made a table with the weather codes. And then I have the icons here. So then it just pulls the this and puts it in the image. You know. So hold on, where is it? I have a function for that. Where is it? Yeah, this. So yeah, that was the last thing I did. So we build a daily objects.map. Let me see. Where's that function? Populate daily info. Populate daily info. Yeah, right here. Yeah. So then we just build an array of objects with the day, the icon, the min, the max, and then we make we have a weather daily component, and this is the weather daily component. So then, you know, I just feel, you know, destructuring objects. So we got day, icon, min, max, day, icon, min, max, and just put it in a weather daily, map it, whatever. So now what we need to do is I need to think of a clever way of each day. So, for example, so mind you, we have an array that goes from 0 to 168, which represents every hour in 1 week. That means the first index will be on the first day, and the last index will be on this last day. Then we need to properly, since we're always going to have each day and each week, we need to properly map, you know. So, okay. So how would I do this? Gets you 7. That's 7 days in a week. But but no, don't help me with this because I want to come up with this myself. But you know, I need to map each day correctly to the indexes. So this day, I need it to be 0, what, 0 to 23. But what I'm thinking is I might not even need to do that because in the objects, yeah, I wrote this down yesterday. Yeah. So somewhere I wrote this down, but I don't know where I put it. Let me see. Where did I write it down? It was the last thing I did before I went to sleep. Oh, I know where I put it. Yeah. Okay. So then okay. So okay. So we have our index of temperatures in the hourly part of the object. We got our weather code, but then we got our times. So if I can assign each one a date, I can go and say, okay, look for this date, and then find the corresponding. So yeah, that's gonna be the way we do that. That'll be the easier way. What's up, Sammy boy? That'll be the easier way to do this. Yeah, because I realized that trying to divide and do all that stuff is pointless. It would be easier to give each one. It'll be easier to give each one a day, you know. So then that would be a day, you know. Um Now it's just how am I gonna do that? Because when I yeah, that's all gonna be in this thing right here. I just gotta make sure I assign each one, and I think I already wrote it. Yeah, it's already formatted right here. I did this. I said pick a day. The day should contain a date. Create an array of days with corresponding dates. Take corresponding date and format a string. All right. So the first step. Okay, let me just type it out so everybody can see it. I'm gonna have to change this so it doesn't need to be a sliced array. What I really need to do is find a way to give. I think I know what I'm gonna do. And I wonder, does the Figma file already have this? Where is it? I'm not gonna put it in order. I'm gonna populate this in the order that this is in. So it'll start with the first day. So Tuesday will be at the top. And then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Yeah, based on current day. So each time this list will be different. So and it's easier than trying to do it the other way. So all right. So this is the weather hourly. What is it called? Weather hourly. So weather hourly list component list starts with first day of starts with the current day. All right, I can go ahead and do that. So what I'll do, we got weather hourly. So instead of, yeah, we don't need to slice this. We just need the whole thing. Yeah, so here's the children. And then we need weather hour. Oh, hold on. Weather hourly container is this one right here. Hold on, I don't see it. Okay. So we got the, so this is the container. Weather hourly. All right, so those are that right there. So those are the, all right. And then we have the weather drop down. All right. I'm gonna create this drop down. I'm gonna create drop down items. So let me go ahead and create the my nose. I need okay. All right. So what we want to do is there's some things that this is going to need. What's up, Alvin? There's some things that this thing is going to need. So it's going to need a day. And the day can go right here. Also, oh no, yeah. So the day is gonna need to go right there. I need to pass this some data. Nah, I don't. I'm gonna start using it every day. There was a time where I was using it every day when I spent a week on a sync await and fetch. What helped me was somebody came into the chat and they said Chris, go to Claude or Gemini and ask them to explain fetch, async, await to you like you're five. Ask the AI to explain it to you like you're five, and then say, "Give me some exercises." And I did, and so I went from not knowing shit to that day making a Pokedex with the Pokemon API. So yeah, it did help. It helped a lot because something about fetch, the promises, I just could not wrap my head around a synchronous program. Because we've been learning what synchronous programming, one thing after the other. Yeah, set day order gives us the day order. So we got the day order. So I hate that this. I hate that. I wish there was a use effect that would only work not on mount, but when a certain thing changes. Only, not on mount. But everything has to be mounted or whatever. Whatever. Uh, Hold on. Actually, we probably don't need this. Not the prop drilling. Well, I did do good so far because I haven't had the prop drill like that in this project. But the one thing, so each project I learned something different. Last project, I learned the woes of prop drilling and how to mediate that. Now, the next project, I'm gonna have to learn how to not put everything into the app. See how all this is there? I wish. I wonder is there state patterns in React, or does it force you into a certain pattern? Like, can you make up your own design pattern? I don't know. Anyway, all right. Where was I? Oh, thank you. Coco Orlando, I haven't seen you before. Where you from? How did you find the stream? Yeah, maybe I need to. I think I thought it was cool and interesting, but I think you're right. Maybe I should think about how powerful that is. Oh, okay. I visited Florida for the first time last year, or was it last year? Or the year before last? I can't remember. I was in Miami. Florida is nice. Yeah, I want people to know that there's more to do in the hood than regular hood shit. This would be way easier if my nose wasn't so stuffy. So what I need is, what's up, Javier? What was I trying to find? Oh yeah, this. How did I get the? I need to find out where I. Downtown essay can be wild. Hold on. Let me get my nose together, man. I don't know. Hold on. Grab it. I don't know if it's something in the air or what. Maybe this peppermint will help me. Oh, I didn't know that. I didn't know that. I'm gonna have to check that out. Y'all just gonna have to watch me blow my nose on stream or some shit. Hold on. Nose stings. All right. I need to find out where I did this. Oh, right here. Right in my face. I don't know. I don't code with AI. Oh. I went through each one of these, created a... Oh. I created a date object. So what I'll do is, how much it took you to build this? Check please, coder build. She is amazing. Does this project in 10 hours. That's great. This is introducing me to new ways of thinking, because I should have thought like the app gives all the rest of the components this one generalized piece of data, and then they all feed off of it and do what they need to do with it. That's the way I should have thought about that. I don't want, no, that's not how this works. I don't want an idea of what to do from nobody. That's how you learn. You learn by doing it yourself. What's wrong with you? There's enough resources. I could easily find them. I just jumped into web dev. Okay, so where was I? I'm getting distracted. I want to pass weather data to the weather hourly, which is no. I want to pass weather data, so we pass weather data to the weather hourly container. And then in this drop down, we can say that this thing accepts children. And then we will delete all of this, which will destroy that. And then we do we go to weather hourly container. We go to and we do weather data dot map weather data the weather data is this is the weather data. Right? It was good day, right? All right. For some reason, it don't look right. Oh. Damn. Break. What's up, Flame? What's up, Zippyox? Which one is better, the Odin Project or Free Code Camp, and can you do a video about it? It doesn't matter what I think is better because it all depends on how you learn. For example, before I got to the React course that I use sometimes, I use Maximilian's React course, and I realized that the way Maximilian teaches, it doesn't resonate with me. So then I switched to Jonas's course, and it worked for me. So you might have to shop around, and in that way, how deep into React am I? Hold on, let me see. All right, answer that question right now. Man, we got ginger up in there. I should have made me some ginger tea. I don't know what I was thinking. I'm on I'm on section 8. I stopped on the section 8 and I started building stuff. And then I'm gonna come back to this course. Gang today was so unproductive. I legit didn't practice at all. I spent all day planning and brainstorming ideas for this project that I want to eventually make. That sounds like you did something. I assume you are mainly learning front end as of now. Yeah. You wipe from the front to the back, not the back to the front. Know what I mean? You feel me, Jimbot? Oh my god. If I was a good friend, should I tell you you already bought it? Most devs create the back end before the front end. Oh, don't buy it. Don't do it. If I'm a good friend, I would tell you not to do it, right? What's wrong? You smell like outside. That's actually true, not gonna lie, but it's only because it's always a good idea to come up with your schema and user story, etc., before committing to any kind of front end. Low key, my project ideas are ambitious as fuck, but this job market, you need to be ambitious to get noticed. Yeah. Yeah, backend can influence website design a lot, but for learning, sticking to front end while you are new to web dev and maybe coding in general is obviously the way. Uh, I'm sorry, I gotta blow my nose. Uh, a lifetime with no allergies. Please don't start now. Please. What are you talking about? 20 is soon. What are you? Don't let the internet tell you you're old at 20. What the fuck? The fuck? What the fuck? These people are so stupid. These people making people at 20 feel like, oh, I'm doing stuff late. No, you're right on time. You're ahead of time. What the fuck? Like, when did you start and how good are you right now? I don't know. I don't fucking know. If I knew that, you have to ask. I have to ask AI or somebody that's a senior dev to determine where I am. Only a senior dev or somebody mid tier could probably determine where I am in my journey right now or how good I am. Did y'all hear about that Amazon thing where Amazon was like, yeah, maybe we shouldn't have got AI to do this shit? And they were like, oh my god. Uh, well, let's determine it. I didn't ask you for an assessment. Who asked you for an assessment? My skills. Can you make any landing page given to you? Go sit down somewhere, Abdul. CEOs be talking out of their ass with AI. It's mainly to impress and get attention for future stakeholders and such. Well, they need to think about it. Oh Lord, people on the internet are wild as hell. Ooh. Ooh, Lord, my God. Y'all, in real life, I mind my own damn business. Well, that's only after learning how to mind my own damn business. Now, like, I cannot give you a peppermint. Your ass will be on fire. Abdul, ain't nobody ask you for an assessment. This is not test time. And I didn't ask you to be an assessor. Oh my God. Where have you been, Taylor? Taylor, where have you been? Have you been busy with your job? Of course you've been busy with your job. Oh my God. Uh, what the fuck? Where you been? Oh, you must be at a nice Starbucks. Oh my God. You just dropped in to check in and say howdy? Where have you been? My God. Okay. You still at that job? You still at the job? I was just on your GitHub on stream the other day because I was talking about how I started. See, I'm on React now. Have you been just popping in like randomly? Like, have you been seeing the product like just randomly? I left because it was missed. Oh my God, I'm sorry. Oh my God. I'm sorry you had to go through that because I think you were happy that you got that position. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So you're still in a good place. Like, thank you. So you're still in a good place, like, ugh, Jesus. What do I need to do? Do I need to eat an orange? Do I need some citrus? It just makes no sense to me. It must be the dust over here. It must be, I need to dust. There has to be something I can do. Hold on. Because I can't do this. Y'all about to watch me take the most nastiest thing on the face of the earth. Hold on. Y'all, this shit right here will clear up everything. You said time for a cleaning stream? Hold on. Yeah, it is time for a cleaning stream. I'm gonna do this right quick. Let me get some water. This shit is nasty. All right. Oh my god. Yeah, this shit is nasty. All right. I'll see you later, Taylor. Bye, Taylor. Stay safe. Y'all, this I'm about to do this on stream. This shit will clear up everything, but it is nasty as hell. Witness me. Shit, I done broke it. Damn. Y'all. That shit is the emergency escape button of nasal sprays. Okay, I think I'm good. All right. Sorry, I had to pause that. I had to pause that because I haven't seen Taylor in so long. Oh, oops, wrong. All right. I can't believe you're working at a Starbucks. How is that? That Starbucks must be nice. Can you post a picture of what you're seeing in the Discord? I'm curious. Well, I'm glad that you found the rain song, because I was not gonna give it to you. Not willingly, at least. That's the big granddaddy project. It's somewhere in the FAQ. I would talk about it, but it's a lot to talk about. Okay. All right. When I said I didn't like you so. Overnight in the car during heavy rain and thunderstorms? No, that's not it. That you're wrong. That's not it. It's way more sci-fi than that. But whatever works for you. Right here, 'cause baby, when you left, I lost a part of me. Come back, baby, please. Let's turn you right. Listen to me till the sun comes up. Oh, baby, baby, we belong together, baby. Come back, back. All right. So we got that. All right. So the next thing we need, well, practice, pitch it well, and sell it to me since you're supposed to be doing something similar. All right. So now when I click this, I need to assign each one a date. So I'm gonna go to weather. I'm gonna say date, and here it is. This artist right here. Oh my God. Now I need to pass some. I need to pass the date to it. Okay. So now when I click this, I need to pass this date into a function. And it needs to look like this. I just need to put this part at the end. And we're going to need 3 through 10. All right. I have ascended. I have ascended. I've ascended. I've ascended. So when we click these, I need I used to. All right, let me think. I'm thinking I need a state in the weather hourly container. Not as much. I'm not opposed to doing it. Step! Is somebody here? I'm not opposed to doing it. No. Nope. No. I got other things to do. But there's plenty of people on the internet that'll do it. Thank you. Oh, that's not how we do that. I did that wrong. What is it? 15 to 20, 15, 16, 17, 18, 3. So it's 15 to 23. Um, Let me think. How do I want to do this? So I want to pass it today. And with the day, I want to make an array. Okay. Oh, my nose. Where did I put it? Oh, it's right there. All right. So I think so. I want to take. What's up right now? Just realized I didn't code tonight. Might leave in a bit. Oh shit. Go code. Fedora, I don't know what that is, but that's cool. Oh, that's cool. Thanks, girl. You go, girl, too. Who cares? Who cares? Go vibe code some shit. Leave me alone. Go vibe code your whole computer science degree and then cry when you can't find a job after you're finished. Go do that. Go speed run that shit. That's what y'all good at. Hold up. That medicine is messing with my head. Okay, so what am I? I'm at the index. And did I know there was an easier way to do this, but whatever. I'm a junior in computer science on a Friday night in a random dude stream, telling them the vibe code. I'm in college, not out having fun with my friends. I'm just chilling, telling other people what to do on a Friday night. Ayy. Random junior in computer science with an empty GitHub. Do you wanna get hug? Do you want some help? Can't get no help from me. It probably already has done all his CS assignments. He's a junior. GPT released like 2 or 3 years ago. Go vibe code that $1 million app, my friend. Mr. Lee Cooper. Weatherdata.ollie. I'm moving slow because I don't know if this is allergies or what. So I got the temperature. So now what I need is oh. Now what I want to do, then go do that. Go do your thing. Nobody's stopping you. Go do your thing, brother. Nobody's stopping you. So I'd rather build something more meaningful than go build something meaningful and let me build trash. Be satisfied with the fact that you're building something meaningful and I'm building trash. How you feel about that? Go build your meaningful shit. So I got all the temps in an array, but now I want to mash those temps. Into one object. How would I do that? How would I take two arrays, combine them into one object? Is that a map? Let me make them happy and use Claude right quick. Well, no shit. Okay, there we go. Duh. No, no, no. I meant like zip them together. Like zoop. Not just put them, smash them together, but zip them into an object. So, like this, where we got, uh, where we got, yeah, yeah, yeah. Where we got where we got the temp. Hold on, what do I want? I want the time and the temp. So I want, hold up. I want the time, which is going to be the time and the temp. I want the time to be nums index minus okay. I want to CLG this hours data. Oh, Thank you. Yeah, I know. Thank you. Yeah, I know I can do that. I never feel like that. I practice too much to feel like that. When you do it every day, you don't feel like you're going backwards. Ever. Okay. So we got the set hours. I'm sorry. Where my glass? Sneezing. Alright, so I need set hours. Alright. Oh, okay. It messed up a little bit. Somewhere in this right here I messed up. Are you laughing? That's crazy. Some people are very sad individuals. And that is why you are deleted. Why did it do that? So we got weather data, Reddit, whatever. We got, hold on. Oh, I forgot I can't press enter. I gotta fix that. All right. So we got weather data. I thought index okay, so that's right. And it looks, so we had 2026 03 12 T and then that. So that's the string. Hold on 1 second. Oh man, I am struggling. Oh wow. Maybe I need to go outside for a second. Let me go outside for a second. Oh my. Okay, so walking outside made me feel better. I'm gonna just have to take breaks and go walk outside. So that's how we gonna do this stream. It's just gonna that's gonna how it's gonna have to be. Okay, why does this array just return? Hold up. There's a way to create an empty array. Array.from. No, I don't play Minecraft. Good luck to you, good sir. You good. Don't come up in here posting links and shit. This ain't the place. If you want to advertise your shit, you got to go to different. You said, yo, why you even do this? What you mean? What do you mean by that? Return weather data.hourly.time.index of. Yeah, okay, so let me just go back. Alright. What you mean, why am I doing it? Why do you breathe? Okay, so we got hourly. We got time. I thought it would return the index whenever it found this. So if I press this, it'll return this. 2026. This is how it's supposed to be. No, I'm making an app that allows you to find local MILFs in your area. The AI is gonna take over this field, bro. Damn. Haven't heard that one before. Jiminy Crickets, never heard that one before. Oh. Man, the music is good tonight. Oh, I know they didn't. Did they? Is this really Keisha Cole? You're lying. Oh man, some of these people, what are they on? when they make this music. That's crazy. I wouldn't even make it. I wouldn't even challenge him on that. Let him feel how he wants to feel. At this point, it doesn't even matter what people think about the AI. They can come up in here. They can say whatever they want. I don't give a damn. So we should have. Okay, I wrote it down somewhere. Yeah. So 2026, 313, 1500. Yeah, this right here. Is it written the same way? Yeah. And then I do index of. And it should find the index of time. Shut up. Shut the hell up. Shut up. Alright. You barking for no reason. If you tired, then go to sleep. Don't start all that barking shit. The music of AI. The AI has taken over my brain, so I'm allowing it to just send me music. You should do it too, Joseph. No, he does understand. He knows. That's why he started being quiet. He knows. He's doing too much. I already checked around the house. There's nobody out there. He does this when he gets tired. If you're tired, then go to sleep. Nobody's stopping you. Is somebody around the house? You said knock that AI shit off. I was playing with you, man. Don't play with me like that. Don't handle me like that. Go play with your mama. It should return the index of, so it should return 1. Yo, bro, calm down, my G. I don't like how you talking to me. We not friends. I don't know you like that. I don't know you like that. Who is you? Who you think you is? I I don't know you. I don't know you like that. No, we ain't cool. I don't know you like that. No, we ain't cool. I don't know you. Nah, I'm stuck, man. Between the sneezing and everything, I'm just stuck. We passed the date. Yeah. Yeah, I'm lost. I'm like, my head is everywhere. I don't even know what I just did right here. Oh. So I took these, I created a date. I passed the date here, gave it a index of this. Days is weekdays, new day, dot get day. And then I did this. I set hours. Set hours is this. Then when I click this, I feed this date to this. And then I'm trying to create this. But I'm not understanding. Let me ask Claude. Hold up, there's something I'm missing. There's something I'm not understanding. Oh. Okay, so I did do this right. I don't think I even had to do this. Times 7. So if I were to press, there we go. Now I see. I'm silly. I got lost in my own sauce. So now that I got the index of all of those things, I then came over here and if I press this, it should give me the weather. Yeah. It should give me the temps on that day. Yeah. Then the goal of this is to the only problem with this is the time. That's it. Yeah. Everything is right but this time. So so 5 is 3. What the hell? Oh. Oh, nums time? No. So right here I got all the temperatures. Then I got the index. I put the time right here. So if I do this, it shouldn't be time 2. This should be 15. Like each time it goes through it, it should be different each time. So this should be 3, 2. This should be like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But I'm not sure why each time it's going through this. Why is time equaling 2? What? It just doesn't make any sense to me. Why is time always 2? Please don't be the same. And this is different. See? So what I want to do is do nums. Each time I want to do so if it's 15, which the first one is 15. So then we do 15 minus 15 minus 2. So what is that? 15 minus 13, which equals 2. Then we do 16 minus 16 minus 2. Oh my god. It's always 2. You're right. I'm crazy. I'm insane. I'm crazy. Okay, so that's how I think about military time in my head. I always do, this is how I do military time. If it's a double digit, I minus 2, which gives 13. Right? Hold on, how can I do this so I can get the 3? I would just have to minus 10 each time. But what if we get like midnight, which is 0, 0? It doesn't, you know what? I'm gonna just make it easier on myself. Yeah, you're right. I just mathed myself wrong. And I'm like, what's wrong? Yeah, you're right. Yeah, I know what I'm gonna do. I was trying to be fancy. All right, now we got it. But it's never gonna be midnight. It's always 3. It's always gonna be the hours of 3 to 10 in the chart. So I'm not even gonna do all that extra stuff. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got them. We got time, and we got the temp. All right. So all right. Okay, so now that we set the current, then we got to build these things right here. You know, walking outside really helped me. All right. I thought something was wrong, but my math was just wrong. So now I got to do this. So I need weather. I need a weather hourly. And so I need these, the green ones. So we need time and temp. Old enough to be your father. I'm as chilly as a pickle in a fridge on a bridge. Can you dig? Never ask a man his age. It's rude. Rude. Super rude. Alright. Like, so rude. You're so rude. None of your business. Mind your business. Worrying about the wrong thing. That's your problem, man. You worrying about the wrong thing. current hours dot map hour. We're gonna return weather hourly. Come on, man. Come on, dude. What I did. Oh. Oh. Didn't like that. Oh. Oh. I'm spelling stuff wrong. Oh. I'm crazy, man. All right. So that's working. So on click now, with our hourly drop down. I gotta hide and show. The next thing we need to do is make sure that this is hidden. Hold on, what? Is it backwards? Okay, no, it's not backwards. Damn, I messed it up. What's up, Blaze Kill? All right, that's good. All you gotta do now is, if you think about it, AI is kind of Google. It's the same thing. What did I just do? I said, and what's the first thing I looked at? This is AI. It's an AI overview. You're not paying attention, Jack, Steve, Bruce. You gotta pay attention, man. Gotta pay attention, man. Gotta pay attention. You ain't paying attention. Okay, go do it. Have fun. Meet me back here. Have a grand old time, my friend. What's up, blueberries? Oh, that has to change. I'm very sassy. At least that's what I'm told. Very sassy. In a world full of bullshit, you gotta stand firm. Sometimes it comes off as sass. It is what it is. Okay. Let's see. So I need to change this. Plus I'm sick. I'm not sick, but my nose is stopped up. Been sneezing all stream. Been going through, and imagine going through that, trying to figure this out, and then people asking stupid questions and saying stupid shit. Come on now. Give me a break, buddy. Give me a break. Give me a break. Give me a break. Give me a piece of that Kit Kat bar. I remember that. Oh, why does that say Tuesday? With their hourly container? I think you can learn the basics of HTML, CSS, JS, and React in 7 days. Post it on YouTube when you do it. You'll get a lot of views. I double dog dare you. This needs to be changed. Oh, I'm tired. Learn the basics. Learn the basics. Learn the basics. I'm tired. What else do I need to do with this app? So tomorrow, yeah, I was doing some. I did some work on a fence or something. I don't know. I don't even know, man. I was rolling around in the grass. Um. Oh, how's the music festival? Yeah, they just trolling. There's some big trollers, cause that's what we do in 2026. Nah, we some big trollers. So tomorrow we'll be setting up. They some big trollers, shot colas. Oh no, not the munions. So tomorrow we gotta fix this to reflect the actual day, right? We did this, so this is correct. And we gotta change this to the appropriate background. Notorious thugs. Biggie baby. And I think we gotta fix this. And gotta fix this spacing. And then we need our so then with this right here, fix and then we'll be finished. Right? We'll be finished, man. And then I can submit this. Because I don't know TypeScript. I'm about to eat this orange in front of y'all so y'all can be jealous of my orange eating skills. Are you in school? The school of hard knocks. It's a hard knock life. No. 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 I'm not. I don't have to turn that in. I'm trying to be a part of this program called Code the Dream. And in Code the Dream, this project was to test myself. But it also served the dual purpose of being a project I have to turn in to be a part of this program. Oh yeah, I'm gonna check it out. I'm gonna check it out, man. It'll probably be something I watch off stream or do off stream. Did you like it? Well, you must have liked it if you recommended it. Like, it's been 5 days so far. I'm not finished. I'm on day 5. US 50, I think it's called. So if y'all don't know, the finished app is supposed to look like this. Yeah, the finished app is supposed to look like this. So we got some stuff to do. We got to add this thing, the units, so that we can change it from imperial to metric. Is your goal to work for a company, or you want to maybe develop products yourself later on as well? In addition, I think most developers end up wanting to work for a company and then use the skills that they learn to develop a product. Thanks. Thanks you. Yeah, man. So many fantastic free resources out there. CS degrees are way overblown, but it does check a HR checkbox. So please believe I'll probably be getting that software developer engineering degree from WG one day. I haven't talked about that, but it's coming. I don't know. I still think I'm gonna get value out of my degree. Me too. So I think I can finish this tomorrow. If not tomorrow, then Sunday. Yeah, I know I like to take my time. I've learned that if I just rush things, nothing turns out right. I'm going for whatever role pays money. Every role, all the roles, cinnamon rolls. Cinnamon rolls. Cinnamon rolls, baby. Market's so cooked right now. It's cooked for your ass. Don't underestimate the fundamentals. Object-oriented basics, data structures, algorithms, functional programming, etc. all come into play front end and especially back end. Yes, sir. The market is cooked for people who are not competitive. What's up, Ari? So why you think I made this YouTube channel? I looked. Oh yeah. I don't know what you mean by that, Bravia Stars. I don't know what you mean by that. I'm a support teacher on Learning Center. How do I think I need to? I don't know how to. So to Tyler E Wing A163, people say the market is cooked. Let me tell you, on day zero, I have a day zero video. If y'all go all the way back, before I made that day zero video, I sat down and I thought about all of that. I was like, the market is extremely difficult. I remember when I was a kid, I was very sheltered, and the 2008 and 2009 housing crisis did not affect me as a kid, right? I was being a kid. But from what I understand now, it was a bad time for a lot of people, right? People were getting kicked out left and right. And so and so it's like this. It's like this. It's not always gonna be like this. And during that time when they had the housing crisis, there were people who benefited from the housing crisis. There were people buying up shit. This is not the time to look at headlines and let them dictate how you gonna do and move about and navigate your life. So if you don't want to go out there and you don't want to hustle, that's on you. But I'm gonna get it. So I made a decision, and I knew that number one, here are the things that I got going against me. Number one, I have a degree, but it's not in computer science. Two, my work history is everywhere, right? It's spotty. And three, I'm getting older. Yeah, and I already, yeah, and you probably just joined the stream for the first time, but I plan on doing 1,000 or more applications. I already sat down with myself and went all over this. I already knew that the odds would be stacked against me. Number one, what I said. Number one, my degree is not in computer science. Number two, what was number two? My work history is spotty. Number three, I'm black. In a world where people like to hire culture fit, you know, there's and I know people don't like to talk about this, but color, caste, status, socioeconomic status, all of that shit matters. And what I'm saying is like I'm gonna put myself in the best position possible so that I can get what I gotta get, right? So those are yeah, I'm not and listen, hear what I'm saying. You said I'm black too, brother, with dreads and everything. Hear what I'm saying. I want you to hear me out. What I'm saying is that I understand that the odds are not always going to be in our favor. But what I'm saying is I've been given a lot, right? And I'm going to work with the lot that's been given to me. And I'm going to build on that regardless of the outside circumstances, right? So what I'm saying is, yeah, the market is hard. But I said, okay, well, how can I compete against other people in the market? I made a YouTube channel, right? You people done seen me from day zero to now day 120, 21. How many people can say that? How many people can say that? I met a lot of amazing people doing this. And so what I'm saying is that when people come in here and they tell me that the market is rough, yeah, the market is rough for people who aren't willing to do what they need to do to truly stand out. I was very honest and transparent with my own self about what I would need to do to move forward. That's what I'm saying. I was very honest and transparent about what I needed to do. And I knew that the only true way that I was going to, my degree is in graphic design. And I knew that the only true way that I was going to compete with all these amazing people out there is if I show up every day and show people that I work and how I work. I couldn't just be some random person putting in job applications. I can't do that. Not in this economy, not in this job market. So, really, what I'm illustrating is that I know that the odds are not always in my favor, but I'm going to do what I can to at least increase my chances. And that's the reason I made this channel. And it's been successful so far. When I first started, I didn't know nobody. When I first started this YouTube channel, I didn't know anybody. And I was at 300 something subscribers. Now we at 3,260. Right? 3,260 subscribers. From 300, 121 days ago. Right? Streaming every day. Yeah, and I'm saying, yeah, and and you're free to say what you gotta say, and I'm free to comment on it. Because people, you gotta understand something. When you stream every day and you stream and coding every day, people, yeah. When you stream every day, you just type in, so if I typed in Bangladesh, Bangladesh, it gives the temperature. Yeah, it does all that. So, I understand you're not trying to discourage me, but you gotta understand something. On a daily basis, I hear people come in there and tell me, "Oh, why don't you use AI or everything is cooked and all this extra shit." So, if I have to endure that every day, I get to at least comment once. Have you considered doing a freelance project, a simple website for mom and pop shop with the added bonus of making some cash? Yeah, I didn't consider that, but I would have to go. I feel like in order for me to give true value to somebody in the community, it would have to be WordPress. And that's not what I'm trying to do right now. It would definitely have to be WordPress or Shopify. And I'm not trying to do all that. So, a mom and pop shop, Shopify. A mom and pop shop, Shopify. I'm not trying to do all that. So yeah, I'm just commenting on, did you buy $100 subscription to Cloud Code? No. Sonnet, I don't even use AI like that to be paying for it. Why would I be paying for it? I ask it basic things that they probably got from Stack Overflow anyway. How long do you code a day in this 121 days? I don't know. Go look at the videos. The hours is there. How long do you think until you finally become a good full stack dev, like ability to code both front end and back end of big stuff like YouTube and shit? I don't know. You go code YouTube. That sounds complex. Right now, I'm just making shit look pretty and functional, like single page applications and stuff. I like the idea of building extremely useful apps for people and then building, so I used to think of the internet like a monopoly board. I was like, if you just build enough websites and put them out there and put like ads on them and make them extremely useful, I wonder how much money could be made from that. Honestly, I don't understand what headless CMS is. The good thing is I got a call back today from a job. I'll be doing a test on Tuesday. So then if everything goes right, I'll be employed. So I have money coming in. I won't be as stressed. And when I do this, I can have more clarity. So it'll be nice. Even so, I have some goals. And somebody mentioned React Native earlier. React Native is on the list. Do you plan to learn backend in the future? I'm tired of that question. Go to the fact. Yeah, I don't want to do that, Ari. I don't want to do all that. My future involves building applications for businesses, though, but not no basic shit. But definitely something a business could use. I have ideas. 3JS was on my list. I'm not sure anymore. I've been in this live for 10 minutes and haven't seen you code online. Well, then go somewhere else. Best response by AI I have seen so far. Will AI take your job? I don't care. I'm building a skill set. Yeah, that's how I feel about it. My if you go to my day zero video, I literally say that this was more than just learning a skill. It was about mastering something. When you got ADHD and you jump, some people, you when you have serious ADHD, life becomes a buffet of interests. And so you become a jack of all trades, a master of none. And then the next part of that is, well, that's better than hold up. Jack of all trades. What's the phrase? Jack of all trades, full praise. It's a jack of all trades is a master of none, but oftentimes better than a master of one. Bullshit. A master of one. A master of one is a threat. A master of somebody who has truly mastered something is a threat in that area. And then that allows them to like explore other areas. What happens if you master regular analog art, like drawing, color theory, regular painting? That skill, that mastery of that skill, then you can go into digital art. You can go into concept art. You can go into all different types of designs. That shit branches off. So it's like when a part of this was mastery because I've been a jack of all trades. I don't have one thing that I'm really truly good at. I'm just good at a lot of little things. I'm good at learning. I want to be good at something. Exactly. I'm telling y'all. I'm telling you, you get fed up with ADHD type shit. That whole learning this and then learn. Oh, I want to learn piano. Oh, I want to learn how to draw. Oh, I want to learn music. Oh, I want to pick it up, put it down, pick it up. I'm tired of that shit. So when people tell me to use AI, I'm like, yeah, the AI is gonna come definitely. If I get a job, they're gonna want me to use AI. If they're smart, they'll allow some of the senior developers to determine how AI is gonna be truly used and not upper management or something. Anyway, I don't know. A jack of all trades is a master of none, but oftentimes better than a master of one. So my thing is that that's cool. A generalist is often considered adaptable. Generalists are great, but sometimes you need mastery. You need mastery a lot. How does it feel? Are you into that type of thing? So yeah, I think no, oh, to the person, I don't know why I just saw that. To the person that said I haven't seen you write a single line of code. If you don't get your ass on, what you thought this was? You thought you was gonna come up in here? No, ain't nobody give a damn what you gotta say. I code when I damn well please. I code every day. Shut up. If you want to see me code, then rewind this bitch. Shit. If you want to see me sneeze and cough and gag and stuff through coding all this today, then go ahead, scroll. Um, what was I gonna say? It's annoying because they expect more out of devs with less. Wow, it looks beautiful. This is some. Let me show you what it's supposed to look like. It's supposed to look like this. It's the I didn't make this UI. Somebody else made it. But I had so on Frontend Mentor, I did start from scratch, and you can go ahead and look at how many each stream shows the hours on it, so you can just go look at the hours. Like if you hover over a video, hold on, I gotta sneeze. Hold on. Uh, uh, Ari says, don't give me that look. If you want to go to sleep, then go to sleep. Don't give me that look, Malik. Currently, I'm working a freelance for a construction company using a headless CMS. They use a CMS, but I code the front end any way I want using Astro. I don't understand what headless CMS is. Wouldn't you want head? Bless you, thank you. Is it because of weather or AC? I have no idea because I went outside and I was just fine. It's something in the house. There's something in this room. Ugh. Um. Ooh, let's do my favorite thing while we're just sitting here. I am. I got the honker. I got the honker up in here. I'm breathing all the air. Give it to me. All the O2. Bro, married or single? Are you flirting with me? Y'all be wanting to know everything. Are you flirting with me, brother? Ooh, look at these fintech websites. Look at this. Ooh, I don't like this. Let me tell you why I don't like this. Let me tell y'all why I don't like this. Every AI site looks somewhat like this. Y'all notice that? Nah, I'm not mad at you, no. Don't worry about it. Every AI site looks like this. I hate when people send me, they say, hey, Chris, go look at my portfolio site. And it looks like this. You know that those little sparkle shits? And then it's like a gradient background. Sometimes like you could tell the way it looks. Like, stop it. The gradient, yeah, stop it. Stop it. It looks, stop. Damn. This guy sent, we was on stream the other day, and this guy sent, he was so proud of his portfolio, and I just looked at this shit, and you know, the first thing, I'm gonna tell you the first thing I do when somebody sends me their portfolio. Hold on, let me go to this website. I do this. I right click, and I inspect element. I scroll up, and I start looking through all this. And I can tell what you done did, so don't come to me bragging about your website that look like everybody else's website. Crazy. So what, according to you, is a really good portfolio? Hold on. Oh my God. Oh, let me live. Let me breathe. Oh my God. Can you check my project? Man, listen. I'm ruthless. I'm ruthless in my own stuff unless you want to be attacked. I feel attack gradients became popular in 2021 largely because Tailwind made them super easy to make. They were easy to make before Tailwind because you had all those sites that would write the CSS for you and you just pick the colors and shit. Well, maybe you're right. I don't know. What's a good portfolio site? I don't know. Somebody tell me a site that has good portfolios on it. And I'll tell y'all what I think is good. What I think works. Honestly, there was a dude who made his portfolio site in straight up HTML. Bare ass. And nothing else. And I was like, okay. I like it. What's a portfolio site? What's a site with portfolios? Maybe I can go to Cosmos. Oh my God. Yeah, I've seen some gamified ones. This is nice. How do I go to this? Oh my God. Oh, yeah, don't do that. Don't show it to me. Because I have a bad habit of accidentally flashing shit on screen, so don't do it. Don't do it. Like, I done gave away somebody's entire city twice on stream. I don't like none of this. Some people say don't go to dribble, but I like dribble. I'm a committed. I'm gonna do it. Yeah, hold on. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Alright. Portfolio. I might have to end the stream. I can't do this. This shit is crazy. I forgot to push today. I didn't get my green square. Malachi. Yeah. No, all of these are ugly too. Ooh. I like simple ones like this. But sometimes I don't like all those. Hold on. Actually, that's not bad. Actually, this is pretty good. It's simple. I feel like it's straight to the point. See, that's simple. That's easy. I don't know about this shit right here. This is simple and easy. Snapshot. Bam. Scroll. Go straight to the projects. Bam. Ugh. Because I feel like people don't... I feel like a flashy website is cool, but I feel like a lot of people ain't trying to look at all that shit. Left align over center everything. Left align over center everything. Honestly, when I make my portfolio site, I'm going to tell y'all what I'm going to do. I'm going to go right here to Pinterest. I'm going to refresh the page. I'm going to search. And I'm going to type in layout, magazine, print layout. Print layout design. And I'll probably look at some of these, how some of these magazines are put together, and then go from there. Oh, actually, there's even poster design. I want to do something different. I would love a site like this. Oh, not. I'm just saying. I would look for. I wouldn't necessarily do that. I'm just saying I would look for inspiration from those places. I don't know what I just did, but my nose feels a little bit better. Oh, this is nice. Something like this. I can see all my portfolio projects like just hanging down like that with a little description. Yeah, I like it. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at this. Oh my God. Ooh, print design is so nice. Hmm. Hmm. This is really nice. I need to learn Figma. I've been thinking about learning Figma and starting to make my own designs. What y'all think? Oh, this is wonderful. Just this little piece right here at the end. Wonderful. Yeah, I think I need to learn Figma. I think it's time. I might start learning it on stream. I wonder if there are any. That's basically a UI UX designer. I used to want to be UI UX. Oh, this is nice. All right, y'all. I think I'm out. I think I gotta lay down. Let me see if I pushed. I bet I didn't. Did I mess up my streak? Oh no. Oh no, I messed up my streak. Oh no. Oh man. Oh man. Ciao. I'm done for tonight. I'm about to go chill out, lay down, get my nose together. Actually, it feels better. I don't know what just happened. I feel like maybe something was in my nose. And my nose was like, get out, get it out. All right. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Y'all have a good one. I'm about to go watch some marathon gameplay. I really want to play that game. All right. Y'all have a good one. Oh, if y'all do y'all think y'all will play marathon with me? Do y'all think that game is cool? All right. All right, bye. All right.